In this video, I will show you how to work the scallop crochet edging. This stitch creates a border of arches. It is made up of a combination of single and double crochet stitches. This technique is used in our Baby Love Set pattern. Today, I will be using Wool and the Gang's Super Trooper yarn in pink blush and a 5mm crochet hook. Okay, let's get started. To work your scallop crochet edging, you will need a piece of knit or crochet to work around. For this video, I'll be working around this piece of 1x1 rib stitch. So first, starting at the bottom corner, you need to insert your hook and pull through the yarn and make a chain stitch. Then I'm going to make a single crochet stitch, then leaving a gap of approximately 1 centimetre, I'm going to make 5 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. Then leaving another gap of approximately 1 centimetre, I'm going to work a single crochet stitch. And I'm going to do those 5 double crochet stitches again, so leaving another gap of 1 centimetre, I'm going to do 5 double crochet stitches. So these 6 stitches make up the pattern repeat. So I'm going to do another single crochet stitch, leaving a gap of 1 centimetre. And now I've reached the top corner, I'm going to work 5 double crochet stitches into this corner stitch. So now I'm working along the top edge. I'm going to leave a gap of 2 stitches, then work a single crochet stitch into the next stitch. And then I'm going to leave a gap of 2 stitches and work 5 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. So leaving gaps of 2 stitches, I'm going to continue repeating these 6 stitches along the top edge. So that's 1 single crochet stitch and then 5 double crochet stitches. Okay, so now that I've reached the other corner, I'm going to work 5 double crochet stitches into the corner. And then working down the second side, I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. So leaving a gap of 1 centimetre, I'm going to then work a single crochet stitch into the next stitch. And then leaving another gap of 1 centimetre, I'm going to work 5 double crochet stitches into the next stitch. And to finish it off, I'm just going to work one single crochet stitch into the final stitch of my row. And then I'm just going to cut the yarn and pull the end through to secure the last stitch. And there you go, your finished edging should look something like this. Thanks for watching.